You're looking at one of the ocean's deadliest little assassins. It's the pistol shrimp, and it doesn't need teeth or poison to kill. Instead, it uses its claw as a gun. This tiny shrimp snaps its claws so fast, it creates a bubble that travels at over 60 miles per hour. When that bubble bursts, it creates a shock wave hotter than the surface of the sun, nearly 8,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and loud enough to stun or kill its prey. It's so loud, in fact, that it can disrupt sonar equipment. This tiny creature is only a few centimeters long, but with its bubble blaster, it dominates its territory like a true underwater gunslinger. Nature's tiniest sniper, with the loudest shot. Would you dare face off with this shrimp? Please don't forget to subscribe.